Concept of promotion. Promotion defined as the upward movement from one classification or rank to another carrying higher benefits and more responsibility. It is the upgrading of rank and or ad- advancement to a position of leader. So promotion asya iniit pag hataas hit ranggo agihit kaiha it serbisyo or pagsunod hit mga requirements. So, next is the basis for promotion. Number one, merit, kakayahan or husay hit trabaho. Kung nagpapakita ka ng husay hit trabaho, pwede ka ma-promote. Number two, seniority, kaiha ha serbisyo. So, the more nga maiha ka di dahil serbisyo, the more nga may karapatan kahit promotion. Number three, time and grade and experience. Pera ka na ka years di dahit nga imo ranggo and may nimo karanasan hit im trabaho. Number 4 is mandatory schooling. Kinakaulangan ng training. Kaulangan mo ra ni makumpleto ang im mandatory training o kurso bago ka ma-promote. Number 5, eligibility. Eligibility kailangan nimo and classification like civil service and NAPOLCOM entrance, etc. So, next is the kinds of promotion. Number 1, regular promotion. Number 2, special promotion. Number 3, promotion by virtue of position. Number 1, regular promotion. So, regular promotion, asya init nakatugon sa lahat ng mga mandatory requirements like education, training, and kaihait serbisyo. So, number 1 is the educational attainment. Tamang antas, hit education. So, number 2 is the completion of appropriate training or schooling such as master's degree to police brigadier general above. Number 2, officers senior executive master course to police lieutenant colonel to police colonel. Number 2, officers advanced course police major to police major. Sunod is the officers basic course to police captain. Next is the officers candidate course to police to PEMS. Next is the senior leadership course to police master sergeant to PEMS. Next is the junior leadership course, police staff sergeant to police master sergeant. So, next is the time in grade and experience. Asya indinhi an imo nakabatay ha nakabatay sa bilang ng taon sa kasalukuyang ranggo sa kasalukuyang ranggo hasta nga hit imo promotion. So, time in grade. NAPOLCOM Resolution 2013-501. So, the rank is the Police General. Police General, Police Lieutenant General, Police Major General. Hira kailangan itira experience dapat mag-agi hira di dahit Police Brigadier General para angat hira nga dahiton nga posisyon kailangan nira mag-agi Police Brigadier General. Police Brigadier General naman dapat may niya karanasan 2 years as police colonel. Police colonel naman 3 years as police lieutenant colonel. Police lieutenant colonel 3 years as police major. Police major, 3 years as police captain. Police captain, 3 years as police lieutenant. Police lieutenant, 3 years as police executive master sergeant. Police executive master sergeant, 3 years as police chief master sergeant. Police chief master police chief master sergeant, 3 years 3 years as police senior master sergeant. Police senior master sergeant, 2 years, 3 years as police police master sergeant. Police master sergeant, 2 years as police staff sergeant. Police staff sergeant, 2 years as police corporal. Police corporal, 2 years as police, patrolman. So, as at hiraan, kuan, kung like for example, kung karuyag mo maging police colonel, kailangan mo anay mag-agihin 3 years as police lieutenant colonel bago kahit ningada. So, sunod is the appropriate eligibility. Appropriate eligibility, the required promotional examinations. Number 1, A is the police officer promotional examinations. Number B, senior police officer promotional examination. Number 2, police I mean um police inspector promotional examination. D, police superintendent promotional examinations. So, number 2, special promotions. So, ini nga special promotions, asya init gin hahatag hit mga pulis nga agihit nagpapakitahin katapangan, kabayanihan, ha serbisyo. So, gintatawag nimat ini nga acts of conspicuous courage and gallantry. So, didihit acts of courage and gallantry na Polcom Memorandum 2007-008 and PNP Memorandum Circular 2009-019 as number 1, deed of personal brave and self-sacrifice. Number 1 is it nga damo it gintapo mo ang damo nga kalaban or bisan mas kuanan ira persa, mas makusugan ira persa. Number 2, paglusob hit usa nga hideout hit sindikato like kidnapping, droga, carnapping, and terorismo. Number 3, pakikipagporosilay dili pampubliko nga lugar like mall, offices, business establishments, PUVs, etc. nga ginliligtas it buhay hit mga tawo. So number 4 is the pagkakandakin in rescue disaster operations resulting hit ikaupay or pagligtas liwat hit mga tawo. So number 2 is the posthumous promotions. Asya ini it nga habang ada kay nagpapakita kay promotion, nagpapakita kay kabayanihan, habang nagpapakita kay kabayanihan ginaalay mo't imo kinabuhi, asya hindi na magawas it posthumous promotions. Tas mamamatay ka. Asya iton nga kapag namatay ka while dida hiton nga imo operation nga ipakita mo ning kabayanihan, asya iton nga makakakarawat ka hin posthumous award. Tapos last is promotions by virtue of position. Asya init for example usa nga pulis is itinalagahin hataas nga posisyon bisan guti ay it iya ranggo. After 6 months it iya kasalukuyan nga ranggo, pwede niya matagan hin hataas nga ranggo katumbas han hadto nga posisyon nga iya ginkuanan gin talaga ha iya. Pero diri itiya dayon mahibabalhin ngadto hiton nga posisyon dayon hindi ri pa nag-aagi ang 2 years ti kang han paghataasan han iya ranggo. So asya iton it promotions by virtue of position.